If you're frustrated because Microsoft Family Safety keeps blocking Google Chrome on your computer, and you just want to browse without constant interruptions, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand exactly why this happens, and you'll know how to fix it step by step. We're going to take a direct approach to safely disabling the built-in parental controls that are interfering with your browsing. Let's get started and get Chrome working smoothly again. First, you'll want to find and access a background tool on your Windows system called Services. This is basically where Windows keeps track of everything that runs behind the scenes. Think of it like the engine room of your computer. To access it, click on your taskbar's search bar, the one in the lower left corner of your screen. Type in Services. Take your time here, no need to rush. The system should start suggesting the Services app right away. Click on Services when you see it pop up in the results. Inside the Services window, you're going to see a long list of items, almost like scanning through a massive phone book. What you're looking for is the part of the list that starts with the letter P. This is where Windows organizes things alphabetically, so it helps to think of scrolling down as you would with contacts on your phone. Once you reach the P section, find Parental Controls. This is the service that Microsoft Family Safety uses to regulate certain apps, including Chrome. Now, double-click Parental Controls. When you do, a new window will pop up with some detailed settings. At this point, you might see the startup type set to manual or automatic. What you want to do is switch this option to disabled. That tells Windows, don't automatically run this background service to block or filter applications. After making that change, don't forget to click Apply and then OK. These two little buttons cement your changes. Think of it as saving your work before moving on. If you skip this, Windows might just revert back to the old settings, so be sure to finish this step. Alright, now that you've disabled the service, there's one more spot to check. Let's go over to Task Manager. You can bring it up quickly by pressing Ctrl+Shift+S key, or you can simply type Task Manager in the search bar. Inside Task Manager, look for the Services tab. Click on it, and again, scan for Parental Controls. If you see it running, just right-click and choose Stop. Sometimes Windows hangs on to a service even after it's disabled, so this ensures everything has actually shut off. Now for the moment of truth. Try opening Google Chrome. If everything went smoothly, Chrome should start right up, free of Microsoft Family Safety restrictions. If it doesn't work immediately, don't worry. You might need to restart your computer for these changes to fully take effect. Remember, everyone's computer might behave a little differently, so patience here is key. With these steps, you've taken direct control over how your computer manages parental controls. Think of it like clearing away a gatekeeper that kept blocking your path. Now, you can access your programs without extra hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I do my best to answer every single one. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech fixes and tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.